You know this, getting a phone or other technology repaired can get pretty expensive as major companies make customers come to them for the parts and services.
News 10 ABC's Capitol correspondent Amel Taliji explaining how the Digital Fair Repair Act looks to make things easier the next time you need to get your phone fixed.
The bill would require original equipment manufacturers like Apple or Samsung to make spare parts, schematics, and software available for independent repair shops. For Louis Rossman, owner of Rossman Repair Group, he says this bill would allow him to purchase the parts he needs without jumping through hoops. He says consumers don't know how difficult it is to attain parts needed to repair their devices. Rossman says oftentimes repair shops get their parts from China or Korea, where factory employees sell pieces that are meant to be thrown away.
They think that I just buy these parts on the internet. So there's a lot of jobs that we say no to. Or, oh, if you would like your data off this, come back in 5 years when the chips are available. And they just look at me side like, what do you mean come back in 5 years when the chip is available? But that's the reality of our business.
Gay Gordon Byrne, executive director of the Repair Association, has been fighting for this piece of legislation for years and says this would be good for the economy.
Literally all benefit if we can fix our stuff, even if we never use an independent repair shop. The fact that there's an option keeps prices in line and it keeps service quality up because, somebody who does a lousy job, they're not going to get repeat business.
This legislation would also make industrial parts more easily available for farmers who say they often wait months for a manufacturer repair. Reporting at the Capitol, Amel Taliji.
Thanks, Amel.